Did you ever believe that flying cars would continue in Star Wars movies, or that the Star Trek Enterprise would live on in your mind? More dreams appear to be becoming a reality as a result of science fiction films. Welcome to the future of tech. You can like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to send your comments too. Hey, consider this for a second. Since early times, humans have sought ways to make traveling faster and more convenient. We invented the wheel first, followed by carts and wagons, steam power, and the internal combustion engine. The innovation continued with electric cars, bicycles, and self-driving vehicles. Ideas that seem to belong only to the realm of science fiction are being made a reality. How old would you be 10 years from notes? Almost everyone will use public transportation in 10 years, with alternative fuels such as maglev technology, short for magnetic levitation, which has the advantage of having no friction and the possibility of moving 600 miles per hour. In 15 years, all automobiles on the road will be fuel-efficient, driverless, or feature intelligent transportation systems. UAM, urban air mobility, will become a prevalent mode of transportation in 30 years. All of these improvements will make the world a more utopian and less stressful place. All of these developments will help to prevent global warming by employing alternative fuels, make major cities more livable, and prioritize businesses such as medical and essentials, allowing everything to run more smoothly. The future of transportation is all about problem solving and making the world a better place. Don't forget about making money too. A simple Google patent search reveals that in the previous 10 years alone, many new inventions in the field of transportation engineering have been registered. According to surveys and analysis, the smart transportation business will be worth over $100 billion by 2020, with a 9% annual growth rate. Here are the top 10 future transportation tech that will shock the world. Number 10. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are changing the way we travel, whether in the city or across the country. Tesla and Nissan popularized the electric automobile, which relies exclusively on battery power to transport us. Rather than refueling at a gas station, electric vehicles require a battery charge to get back on the road. The most advanced electric vehicles today can drive 150 to 350 miles on a single charge. A Field by Honda and Sony provides us a taste of electric vehicles and how they will change the transportation business. Number 9. Flying taxis. Flying taxis appear to be something out of a science fiction story or a human mind fantasy. Yet the flying cab project is as real as it gets. This technology is being developed by large corporations such as Uber, Boeing, and Airbus. Whether it is a startup or a huge corporation, flying taxis will be the transportation industry's future. Uber has stated that it would work with NASA to develop flying taxis by October 2023. Uber's ambition is to develop an electric-powered flying taxi that will deliver passengers to their destinations. The Volocopter, an autonomous helicopter propelled by electrical energy, is one such flying taxi. In Dubai, a Volocopter is now being tested. According to the terms of the agreement, Uber will reveal its ambitions to establish a ride-sharing center for urban aviation. NASA will use the most recent airspace management computer models and simulations to examine the impact of small aircraft in crowded situations, ranging from delivery drones to passenger aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Number 8. Autonomous cars. Autonomous vehicles will completely transform the automotive industry, causing it to undergo its most dramatic transformation since its inception in the early 20th century. People are progressively becoming accustomed to self-driving cars because it can overcome human error, and autonomous cars believed to be safer than a human-powered car. Recent advancements in cloud computing and emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, and LiDAR have transformed autonomous cars from a vision to a current reality, with many companies announcing plans to launch autonomous vehicles and test drives of these vehicles already underway in cities around the world. Waymo and Tesla, for example, are at the vanguard of the driverless revolution. Drive AI, a Silicon Valley-based business developing self-driving car software, recently announced that it would provide free trips to Frisco, Texas residents. Number 7. Light vehicles. Automakers strive hard to produce vehicles that are both efficient and high-performing. According to studies, reducing vehicle weight by 10% improves fuel efficiency by 6% or more. One of the most effective ways to make the material lighter is to substitute iron and steel with alternative metals, such as carbon fiber structures and magnesium-aluminum alloys. Manufacturers, on the other hand, are still working to make the concept a reality. Number 6. Delivery drones. Companies such as Amazon, UPS, and DHL are focused on creating drones for last-mile delivery. Manufacturing such drones is a technological hurdle. This industry is attempting to make delivery drones a reality. Number 5. Aerospace. Aerospace is the most intriguing transportation technology right now. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are all competing to be the first to offer commercial spaceflight. So you don't have to be a NASA astronaut to fulfill your boyhood ambition of traveling through space. The rise of commercial space travel has resulted in some astounding technological advancements, such as the usage of reusable rocket boosters, as shown in the video above. Originally, missile ships would jettison their rockets approximately 2 minutes after launch. These boosters were one of a kind and burned to the ground. SpaceX has built boosters that return to Earth gently and precisely. The reusability of these missiles is a breakthrough in cost-effective travel technology that is now allowing civilians to fly to space, albeit currently extremely wealthy civilians. Number 4. Futuristic Subways. Tesla and its inventor Elon Musk have earned a well-deserved reputation as technological outliers. Musk also intends to build a localized, futuristic metro system. The technology allows users to avoid taking public transit and commute fast. However, as more people use these capsules as a super-fast mode of transit, there is a possibility of congestion and a stop at the tunnel's entrance. Tesla has built the first stretch of the city's tunnel, which will transport people at speeds of up to 250 km/h in their own cars or pedestrian pods. The construction of new subway systems in the United States is moving more slowly. However, the futuristic loop is already being tested in Los Angeles. Number 3. The Hyperloop. The term Hyperloop refers to a sealed pipe or pipe system through which a pod can go at high speeds without encountering air resistance or friction. Tesla and Hyperloop One are two of the most prominent firms working on Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is one of the most extensively utilized transportation technologies. It is a tube that transports humans from one location to another by utilizing the physical qualities of a vacuum. The projects are being developed in various regions throughout the world. This project will help to simplify inner-city mobility. This could result in a complete transformation of the transportation industry. Passengers would be able to travel at a top speed of 600 miles per hour, more than twice the top speed of the fastest train. There are numerous hurdles associated with establishing Hyperloop, including the difficult task of constructing a vacuum tube through hundreds of kilometers of land and investing billions of dollars. Otherwise, the Hyperloop may only travel in a straight line to keep passengers from becoming ill. Obtaining environmental and other approvals for the Hyperloop is a hard undertaking, and many people believe it is excessive and extravagant. Number 2. Magnetic levitation trains. Maglev trains, short for magnetic levitation, are driven by electrically charged magnets and hover about 4 inches above their tracks. The trains, according to the drivers, are particularly comfortable and stable. Maglev trains have been observed traveling at speeds of up to 375 miles per hour. Maglev trains are already in use in China and Germany, and they are predicted to be a common means of transportation worldwide by the end of 2030. Number 1. Last-mile robots. Transportation technology is about more than just moving people. It may also contain technology that aids in the transportation of our packages and products from point A to point B. Last-mile robotics is one of the most significant breakthroughs in transportation technology for the shipping sector. Companies are now deploying robots to traverse cities and glide along sidewalks to carry your goods right to your front door, rather than depending on a delivery person or postal worker. Amazon and FedEx are now utilizing robots to transport items within a few kilometers of their fulfillment hubs in certain locations, and Domino's Pizza is using robots to deliver pizza orders on time. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.